Konza? तुम्ही हात नाही होणार की
चलो चलो चलो
प्लीज जागा बघा
चल आतमध्ये चला
एक मिनिट बाबा
आतमध्ये चला
चल हटा
No, media guys, please stay back.
बैठ जाओ अरे येलो लाइट नहीं हाँ येलो लाइट आ गई इधर आ रहा है चेक करो तो बैठो भाई स्टिल बैठ जाओ अरे कौन है
So I must say the energy is already infectious, and this is what this is the kind of effervescent effect that Sonakshi has on all of us. So we welcome you to this wonderful evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sangeeta Singh, and I've been entrusted with this pleasant task of the Foster Grand Signature here to the Indian media community. And ladies and gentlemen, as we begin, we shall have a short presentation, of course, talking all about Foster Grand Signature. And as you can see, our lovely ladies already joined us here. So it will all be followed by some great remarks coming in from our wonderful celebrity right behind Foster Grand. And let's begin this wonderful evening. And I would request Mr. Matthew Panucci to please kindly,
Hi guys, thank you all so much for being here today. I'm very, very excited about this association with Foster Grant, and I'm really glad that you could join us today. And let's throw it open for questions if you have any.
Yeah, hi Sonachi.
Hi.
Well, you're looking absolutely great. We know that
Thank you.
change is the law of nature. Now, I think we are just getting habitual of watching you look ultra glamorous. So what do you just think about the spectacles and the glasses as a symbol of fashion and style and
I think they're great. I think they've always, since 1929, let me tell you one thing. Foster Grant was the first company that started non-prescription sunglasses. And so what you and I wear today has actually been started by Foster Grant. They were the first company to introduce that, bring that out to the world. So it gives me immense pleasure to have, joined them as their face for India. And yeah, I think it's a very, very big style statement today, sunglasses. Me, personally, I'm somebody who loves sunglasses. It's my favorite accessory. I can step out of my house without wearing necklaces and jewelry and stuff like that, but I'll never step out without my sunglasses. So I think it's a very important and integral part of style today. Yeah. I am actually, but I'm not wearing sunglasses now because I'm indoors.
Hi, Sonakshi.
Hi. I'm actually, thankfully, it's my favorite accessory, and I think I'm truly blessed to have a sunglass face. So I think it's the best gift for me. People just pick out whatever and give it to me, and it suits me. So, but seeing their range, the line of Foster Grant signature sunglasses and frames, they've got a lot of shapes that suit a lot of faces and, probably something that's there for everyone. So they've got nice cat eyes, they've got wayfarers, they've got a lot of different shapes. Would you like to tell them about the
we've
shapes?
got 32 different styles in different colors for women. So Sonakshi said there's a frame shape and a color for every face and every complexion.
Hi, Sonakshi.
In the night, I don't think I've ever worn sunglasses while getting out of the airport. But yeah, I guess in the morning, if you've come out from a really long flight and you're like tired and like drowsy, I think it's a good cover up as well. Plus, it's a style statement, so nobody really questions it at that point of time. Yeah, but in the night, I wouldn't.
Hi, Sonakshi. अच्छा, sunglasses beauty में कितना enhance करती है? First question. And आपने कब पहली बार sunglasses पहन के अपने को mirror में देखा? How you are looking?
Beauty enhance करती है या नहीं ये तो नहीं पता मुझे. Beauty I think अंदर से आती है and वही I don't think even makeup enhances your beauty. It's something that you already have within you. But sunglasses definitely add a style quotient to your look, I feel. And मैंने पहली बार sunglasses, मतलब मैं बच्ची होंगी, मम्मा ने कुछ sunglasses वो colorful वाले आते हैं ना, वो दे दिए होंगे मुझे. But याद नहीं है मुझे particularly कौन सा मेरा first था.
सोनाक्षी, कितनी जिम्मेदारी बढ़ जाती है अगर कोई भी सेलिब्रिटी किसी ब्रांड को इंडोर्स करता है तो कितनी जिम्मेदारी बढ़ जाती है उसकी?
आई थिंक जिम्मेदारी दोनों की बढ़ जाती है. हम दोनों चाहते हैं कि एक अच्छा एसोसिएशन हो ब्रांड का भी और जो फेस है उसका भी. एक हाँ डेफिनेटली हम चाहते हैं कि अगर हमारे फेस के होने से ब्रांड की सेल्स बढ़ जाए, लोगों को ये ब्रांड और नोटिस हो, पसंद आए, वो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा. एंड आई थिंक इट्स डेफिनेटली अ बिग रिस्पांसिबिलिटी टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद अ ब्रांड.
सोनाक्षी, एक अभी त्योहार आने वाला है, होली का त्योहार आ रहा है, तो आप किस तरह से होली को मनाती हैं और कैसे सेलिब्रेट करती हैं? क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे आप?
होली के लिए टिप्स? आप कौन से देश में पैदा हुए हो भाई जो टिप्स चाहिए आपको होली खेलने के?
आप किस तरह से होली मनाती हैं वो उस तरह?
एक्चुअली होली मेरा फेवरेट फेस्टिवल है, बट मैं पिछले 3 साल से ज़्यादा मना नहीं पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं शूट पे होती हूँ. बट हाँ, जब भी आई ट्राई एंड प्ले विदाउट कलर्स. Pani, water Holi is also fun, but I think it's very, very important to be safe. And since Holi is coming, I'd like to wish you all in advance as well. Ji. Thank you.
Thank you. We're very lucky.
मेरी पसंद जो है ज्वेलरी में ज़्यादातर लेस इज़ मोर है. मुझे क्लासिक पसंद है, मुझे मतलब ज़्यादा OTT ज्वेलरी नहीं पसंद है.